Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Brothers, alhamdulillah, we had a very beautiful and successful tour in Indonesia. Amazing to know that Indonesia 80% is a Muslim population and the largest Muslim populated country in the world. Roughly around 300 million Muslims found within this one Indonesian island. We were in Jakarta. Alhamdulillah, we had beautiful meetings with humanitarian aid organizations, two of them, and one of them we learned that they're running over 1,000 madrasas. Inshallah, we're looking forward to partnership with them to do a few projects, inshallah, in Indonesia, in Jakarta and other places. Thereafter, we went to the Bali island, which is quite famous and known for its beauty of the beaches. Alhamdulillah, we done parasailing at one of the beach, which is known as called the Kutta beach, and those who know Urdu, they would be laughing at it. However, then we went to another island that is known as Nasu Panida. This is known as the end of Asia. Thereafter is only Australia on the right hand side. And if you continue straight forward, you hit the Antarctica. A very beautiful place. In Bali, the mostly populated people are of the Hindu background, a lot of mandirs, etc. But we were surprised to see nice big masjids and how they're living in harmony with the Muslim population. There'll be a masjid, and right next door to it would be a mandir, and the community is living very peacefully, happily, in good faith and harmony. And now we are here at the airport and heading towards Hong Kong.